kí la rí gbọ́.
Getting poison in the
Yes,
cell.
while I was in the cell, wọ́n jẹ́ kí ìgbà tó wá yá wọ́n jẹ́ kí family mi mo ń jẹ wá bring food for me. My brother was chased away that they should not bring food from them. They want to poison that my family want to poison me. Whereas it was the plan within them. Because why will you say my family should not give me food when the police was not feeding me while I was in the custody? Because I have evidence more than 100 to one cell Timothy Foro what me feed. One, there was no provision for food. Ìgbà tí mo kọ́ dé, ìgbà mi wọ́n lè gbóúnjẹ fún àwọn èèyàn mẹ́fà. Àwọn tó wà ń sell yẹn, ìgbà mi 30 people, 20. You understand? Oúnjẹ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ mú fún wọn 150, rice 150 or beans 150. Kò sẹ́run. So I can proud to say mo jẹ oúnjẹ sell yẹn rí.
You haven't talked about
No.
how you get to know your food was poisoned.
Yeah, because ìgbà tí wọ́n mú oúnjẹ yẹn wá, first of all oúnjẹ yẹn down lọ́wọ́ mi. So bọ́n the Bayelsa boys ló wá sọ fún mi pé wọ́n dà pé kan wà nínú oúnjẹ yẹn. Pé from then I should not use my name to be ordering for food nínú cell yẹn. Say because there's already a plan for me to be poisoned. You understand? And àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn náà, the truth is àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn, apart from those ones tó handle case yẹn, every other ọlọ́pàá tí mo ẹ̀kátà ní zone 5 yẹn, they were very nice to me. Ìgbà mi different ọlọ́pàá my president gba 1,000, ìwọ gba 500, ìwọ gba ilé kó máa fi jẹun. So ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ lọ court ńgbà yẹn gan, àwọn yẹn ìkànnì ọlọ́pàá yẹn ló tó wá fún mi scope pé àwọn kíní mi ò wá ń kántà o, àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn ń gbé kíní yẹn lọ lé wọn, all those things. So màá lọ sign a day to ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ lọ court yẹn November 13, mo lọ sign November 12, owó mi mo sáré yọ tó wà ń kántà mo yọ kúrò ńbẹ̀. So that tí bá ń lọ court wọn lè rí pé mo ti sign jọ yẹn, but there's no way tí mo lè sign fún mi àti anything lọ sínú cell. The same thing happened December 11, mo sign December 10, small change tó kún ní kántà mo lọ sign yẹn kúrò. So which means phone mi kò sí kántà, bag mi wọ́n gbé sí kántà, kò dẹ̀ sí ní exhibit room. Court na IPO fi hand over bag mi fún mi tí mo ti rí pé shoe mi sọnù, hard drive mo complain fún wọn, hard drive mi sọnù, ìwé ilé méjì tó wà, ìkan tí mo mú wá fún bail mi àti ìkan tó wà ń bẹ̀ ó sọnù. Document tí mo fẹ́ fi ṣe, because mo fẹ́ ṣe kí lórúkọ kíní pension gratuity daddy mi tó ti kú láti 2011, file yẹn wà ń bẹ̀ pé because mo ti pé wọ́n ti fún mi information pé wọ́n ń san pension gratuity, and ìgbà tí mo sọ pé okay show me tí mo fẹ́ ṣe máa lo enough time in Benin, Asaba, all those places, gbogbo file yẹn kò sí wọn sí bẹ́ẹ̀. Original magazine mi gan, original copy tí this new governor tó correct fún mi tí mo wá ní pé mo fẹ́ frame sí ilé mi pé máa yí ìkọ̀ tó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ló lọ. My company document wọn kò fún mi, ṣé mi mo rí, hard drive mi, because their plan was that kò render me useless. That was the plan. IPO yẹn tí wọ́n bá parọ́ kàn jáde. My woman was heavily pregnant, wọ́n bá parọ́ fún pé mò ń kóbìnrin pa kí ló dé wọ́n fẹ́ kó ṣe oyún yẹn ni àbí kó oyún yẹn. And then she gave birth 2 years. Ọmọ yẹn inú oyún ló fi wá sí Benin. Every day ló wá rain everything. They even went to go and be begging the complainants. Ẹ fún ọ̀bọ ìláyè kó ṣe show yìí. Àwọn ẹ̀wọ̀n ni pé no, one of the boy tí Àgọ́dá náà tún broadcast bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn pé ìyàwó mi ni bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ṣe, òdì ìyàwó mi bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ṣe. Àwọn èèyàn tó wá mi wọ́n sọ wípé ìyàwó bọ̀sì ló ń bá ẹ dí ló ń dí ìwùtẹ́. Tí AJ tí mo ní pé àtàkùn ní Bayelsa yẹn, Àgọ́dá tí invite ẹ̀kan sí station yẹn, wọ́n wá sọ fún yẹn pé imagine tí o ti dé wọn ti arrest ẹ̀, kò yẹ kó wọn arrest ẹ̀, whereas òun ló ṣe arrest. Piccolo kan ní pé ó confirm pé Túndé ti sanwó fún artist ló pe Àgọ́dá fún. To the surprise of everybody, Àgọ́dá then mú mọ́tò dẹ̀ lọ sí hotel yẹn tó lọ ń bá máa yẹn sọ not this thing. You understand? So kò má Àgọ́dá àti kò tí rí máa yẹn rí. They have not done anything before, so he just went to okay now wọ́n parọ́ pé mo ń lọ sí Dubai, wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ mi pé mo lọ sí Dubai, passport mi kò sí lọ́wọ́ mi gbà tó ń mú mi, mo ní Dubai visa. In fact last time tí mo lọ sí Dubai is long ago, even my new passport kò sí lọ́wọ́ mi. Ticket I'm investigator now, ticket tí mo fẹ́ fi lọ sí Dubai dà because ìgbà tí wọ́n mú mi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo bag mi ó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn kọ handover fún ọlọ́pàá yẹn and kò ṣe international airport wọ́n fi mú mi local wing wọ́n fi mú mi you understand so all this whole thing mo fẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn àwọn tó ní pé wọ́n fight for human rights gbogbo wọn I don't understand tẹ́ bá approach wọn most of them owó they are after I've not seen any man dey say òun ṣe human rights man okay let's do this case for you a lot of money can be made from here because one I have claims I lost jobs I lost deals not 100 million not 200 million just deal that almost 3 to 4 billion naira deal tí mo lose that period but owó tí yẹ kí make ní gbogbo show yẹn at least my target for that show was 700 million because I was to do about 6 different shows I was even supposed to buy 90,000 life rights for Port Harcourt for January 1st. But conversation, everything is in my hand. I had all those plans. I was supposed to even do Agoda show December 26th. Agoda Night with the King, where we even say okay, I'm at a table for 5 million. At least Agoda and more on dear. You know some speakers, some more politicians. And you remember about that table 10 million. Is that not 50 million? I think she go plan here. Mo ti buy Agoda plan, but because more like AY. Everybody wants a show. And most of this show, I go there. Most of them are headliner because I won't take that. Already, I won't take that from me. If talk is good in his business, it's very good. When by a comedian who are very sound. This don't power boy jealousy don't power. 2, lack packaging. Kò ní anybody to make manager. To buy this sign document to make pé one Sharon ló ń ṣe manager at the end of the day. Only the cabman by my sign see by go be a Sharon. You understand? So I look at you, she show all the things were in the pipeline. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tatu John ṣe deal in London. Oh, pé bàbá yẹn ló ń finance mi. Ó tún pè yẹn. At the end of the day, ó tún bá mi jẹ mọ́ yẹn. Iṣẹ́ tí promotion tí mo bá yẹn ṣe sí yẹn gbé mú kúrò lọ́wọ́ mi. Yẹn mú fún ẹlòmíì. Ẹlòmíì tó ń dẹ̀ mú fún sí ọ̀rẹ́ Agoda tún ni. So the plan was Operation Bring Tunde Down. Agoda tí ó tún sọ nípa ẹ̀ ńsìn ó ti ń ṣe he has offended a lot of people that I'm the one that used to beg on his behalf. Bọ̀bọ̀ kan Akilolu Jenkins wọ́n ṣe show 2016 Agoda last man standing in London to show about 15 or 16 people èmi nìkan ní ò lọ fún show yẹn though I had my work permit but spirit yẹn kàn sọ fún pé no need London ṣe problem I didn't go for the show. Ẹ̀yàn tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn wọ́n tún ní issue that Akilolu Jenkins wọ́n ní issue at the end of the day. Mo tún sọ wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ kó wọ́n gbàgbé ẹ̀ kó tún let them do business together. 2018 bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn tún wá pé òun fẹ́ ṣe show Agoda last man standing ní London again. Ó ní pé wọ́n ti Agoda ó ní pé wọ́n ti sign agreement gbogbo ẹ̀. And at the end of the day I mean the man we met in sensation mo dẹ̀ sọ fún by my worry wọ́n ní pé tó bá di sanwó Agoda gbogbo èmi Agoda àwọn pẹ̀sì pé ọmọ àṣẹ work permit fún wa blah blah. At the end of the day Agoda kò post show yẹn lórí Instagram kò lọ fún show yẹn bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn then ti ṣe promotions èyàn náà complain pé wọ́n lose thousands of pounds bọ̀bọ̀ mo tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ bọ̀ yẹn pé kò wọ́n fi lè bọ́ nígbà tí àwọn èèyàn náà gbọ́ ọkọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi nísìn wọ́n ní pé no if it's somebody else the kò ń ṣe irú it's not you we know how you put Agoda matter in your head how you kind of love you show Agoda àwọn èèyàn náà òun náà tún bínú because tí bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ a lot of people will come out so bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ti offend okay ìgbà mi Agoda máa gba show méjì the same day Port Harcourt Lagos there's no way to lè meet up ó gba show lọ́wọ́ Àjẹ̀bọ́ tí ò lọ èmi ló tún bá refund owó yẹn 250,000 naira fún Àjẹ̀bọ́ mo mọ Àjẹ̀bọ́ mo rí rí I've not seen him one on one but I have his account tí mo bá Agoda send owó yẹn sí Agoda kò fún mi padà bọ̀bọ̀ AJ ní Bayelsa tí mo ti bá Agoda fún 100,000 kò fún mi padà ìgbà tá lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ìgbà tó lọ sí Bayelsa yẹn tá lọ ṣe jogging yẹn pẹ̀lú this governor nsìn governor yẹn wọ́n pé kò fún wa ní owó Agoda wa ń complain pé máa ti stingy jù ẹnìkan tó wà pẹ̀lú governor yẹn wọ́n pé kẹgbà 200,000 ká fi ra fuel sí mọ́tò Agoda yẹn wọ́n ní pé wọ́n ṣe big boy pé òun nídẹ̀ àdéhùn fídíò padà lọ sẹ́yìn lọ gba owó yẹn. You understand? Listen, 350,000 naira mi ó sì wà lọ́wọ́ Agoda tó bá ń pẹ́ òun parọ́ mo ní receipt gan tí mo fi san owó fún Àjẹ̀bọ́ if you can dá mo lè fún yín nọ́mbà Àjẹ̀bọ́ pé ẹni báyìí so and so amount sí àbùjẹ̀bọ́ one on one bí Agoda ṣe ń sọ ń pa àwọn comedians yẹn gan kò jẹ́ kí súnmọ́ most of them even Àpòròrò gba owó lọ́wọ́ Àpòròrò fún show 150,000 naira ó ní pé owó ticket show yẹn kò lọ èmi náà Àpòròrò wa ń pè nígbà yẹn you know I don't want to send message kí n bá send sí Àpòròrò pé management yẹn náà díẹ̀ one time a lọ sí Port Harcourt náà tí Àpòròrò pè mí pé kò yẹ ká òun máa bá another person sọ̀rọ̀ he is a comedian yẹ kó máa bá Agoda directly sọ̀rọ̀ kí ni ẹ touch me ó kún díẹ̀ kí n sọ pé wo Agoda ló pé kí n sọ tí mo ń sọ yìí but I just bear this thing but this is a guy I've helped save a lot of things ìgbà mi ó máa ní issue pẹ̀lú àwọn ibi tó máa ra àwọn ilẹ̀ sí níbí nígbà yẹn ó wá pè mí pé àwọn kóhun lò mo nípa police ní pé mọ̀ pé ó lè dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tó wá pé threat wà ọ̀ tí wọ́n bá threaten ẹ̀ civil case ni gbígbà tí mo dé station mo ń tàwọn èèyàn tó sọ pé Agoda ẹ̀ tu ti arrest gbígbà tí mo paste sórí Facebook mi ẹlòmíì complain bó ṣe oppress àwọn workers ẹ̀ bó ìyẹn ọkàn mi gbà tí àwọn ilé tó ní pé ó kọ́ fún mọ́mí ẹ̀ èmi ló bá circulate èmi ló ṣe circulation yẹn ìgbà tá meet bí Ọ̀zẹ́kwẹ́zẹ́lẹ̀ ní Oriental Joy èmi ló tún ṣe recording yẹn fún ìgbà tí wọ́n fún láwọ̀ tó wá dedicate fún Nigerian Army àjọ lọ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbogbo everything tó ń ṣe ìgbà most time èmi ló máa ń ṣe snapping yẹn even Instagram tó ṣí lẹ́nu èmi àti bọ̀bọ̀ tó wà London yẹn tó ló jẹ́ kings láyé ká Agoda ṣe Instagram if not Agoda kò ní ṣe Instagram àtàtọ́ tó yí gan Agoda kò ní Twitter last time tó fẹ́ ṣe Twitter èmi ló bá tún register ẹ̀ so ṣé wá jẹ́ pé èmi ní Agoda wá offend bẹ́ẹ̀ because is ọ̀yàpọ̀ tí yín òkè yẹn kì í máa fún today 5,000 tí máa fún 10,000 kó wá sọ kò sí kan tó tún ṣe fún mi rí okay AY as a comedian AY lè boast pé yes Àpòròrò òun ló fún platform àwọn Ṣèyí Lọ àwọn all these comedians youngest landlord he gave them platform but kí Agoda ti whose platform Agoda ti fún yàn he has not given anybody platform he's self-centered about how she project sold in Delta State about also fún mi pé 20 something million ló ń fún wọn àdéhùn ìgbà tá mo dé wọn ń pa ìgbà 40 million plus wọn governor arrested pé olùyàn jìbìtì wọn dẹ̀ fi jẹ́ kó ṣe show yẹn àbí he did the project sort even the boy that won this thing where is the boy today kò tí project bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ń sìn kò tí project even bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ní accident mọ́tò ẹ̀ was a write off Agoda fún lọ́wọ́ kò fi ṣe mọ́tò yẹn kò fún lọ́wọ́ I was the one the boy was disturbing the boy and the father èmi ni wọ́n ń pè so I don't understand because èkó tí mo ń sọ pé if Agoda think I'm lying let him come outside kó wá sọ pé òun gba owó lọ́wọ́ mi kó wá sọ pé òun petition mi pé mo rán assassin sóhun because the truth is kó Agoda ọmọ ń pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn case file yẹn wọ́n lè destroy even if you have to tear it you can't tear the case file it's gonna be in the record one signal can come from Abuja we want to see Agoda petition even àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn sọ pé bàtà Agoda wà fún wọn lówó mọ́ wọ́n fi tú àṣírí fún mi because wọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n fún wọn lówó ìgbà míì tó bá kò wá fún wọn lówó mọ́ because wọ́n bẹ̀ pé kó fún wọn lówó kó fi gbé kéèsì yẹn lọ sí court bàtà Agoda wà fún wọn lówó mọ́ gbogbo àṣírí wa tú sí mi lọ́wọ́ wọ́n sọ lásán wọn pé ẹ bá fẹ́ set èèyàn up kò ṣe ọlọ́pàá lè máa fi set èèyàn because if he eat from here he will tell the truth they all know the truth the Ozone 5 knows the truth even the OC of ZRB very nice man he told them come release me Inspector Ebi ní ògbà you know I don't know a connection with the other complainant I don't know anything the connection but mo mọ̀ pé lọ ṣe birthday ní hotel mine so if IPO is going to do birthday in the hotel of a complainant tell them the suspect see your custody my brother will I have a fair hearing I want a fair hearing.
You talked about something of assassination. Can you enlighten us more? Shed more light?
Yes, Agoda petitioned me to the police pé mo send assassin to come and kill him that they called him on phone but at the end of the day now he has not been able to prove it. I gave him 48 hours to provide it on my Instagram and Facebook account. He could not provide them. I mean, I'm telling Agoda, let him bring the numbers that called him because, bros, somebody sent assassin to come and kill you. That number you must write them somewhere, Abi. They will write the number and we will take it to police for FCID. They will bring the call extract. Because you see the reason why people are in prison. A lot of false allegations, fictitious petitions. Town lawyers man call. You go to Shelley, this somebody is a terrorist. Because you know why? So why people on petition and pay on familiar work if your business, pay more than one pada. Block power that's because that was the IPO told me. They have to put notorious courtesan, assassins and those things so that it can become a criminal affair. Just let the IPO come and deny all these things. Somebody deny. Our voice one, most of them, I will give you some of the voice recordings. Say, hey, they might release a dear from one. Can't no pay. They were busy to recover the money. I was busy investigating all of them. But 5 of them will investigate one dada. Actually one or to see lower. Because you see police, you know I like police. We have some very professional officers in police. Those who did not like what was happening to me, you understand? They will come and tell you this is what to do, this one to do. They were the one advising me, telling me this is because it's not the duty of police to collect money. Police is not a debt recovery agency. You understand? Even but when you pay buy me, whether I feel to buy me phone me, or no operate on Instagram, that because it was the one recording me. Okay, yeah. What I actually want is I want justice. Because when I was in detention, I found out that a lot of innocent people, they are in different correctional centers. Full continue on share. And you come and paramo unlawful possession of firearm, courtesan. This is things that they cannot prove. But I want you imagine I want abandon your 1 year, go to law court, 2 years, go to law court. Oh, because of that, what I want is I want people I go there to be brought to justice. I want human rights that can actually fight, that knows the law. If all this I'm saying, if I'm wrong, let the law take its course. But I want to go there to come and prove, because Section 125 of the Criminal Code, he who has alleged should come and prove. And if he fails to prove it, if I'm supposed to serve 15 years imprisonment for that crime, he's going to serve that same 15 years on my behalf. Because you cannot just lay allegation against somebody because you know one IPO and the next thing. All I really want, we need justice. Because money lock, one grant me bail. What of those people to grant one bail? To even afford the bail terms? If I mean, one level 17 meji. But why would you get level 17 too? It's just as if you're not giving the person bail. Everybody cannot be lucky. I want the government, the National Human Rights Commission, Amnesty International. We have over 200 and something prisons in Nigeria. Let's start visiting them. A lot of people, they are there for no reason. How can a prison that can take 160 people in 1,000 one out of 1,800 of them are waiting trial anyone? No, it's not right. But I'm happy with President Buhari sharing about COVID-19 about.
Kí la rí gbọ́?